2018 Lexus IS300 USB aux port replacement. How's it going, everybody? I got a Lexus IS300. It's a 2018, the F Sport. And if you look right here in the center console, there's a USB port and like an aux port to plug in for your music. This thing's been damaged by soda and drinks, so it's no longer any good. So I'm going to be replacing it. Now the tools is like a very thin, small flathead and maybe like a blue interior pry bar tool. Basically what you want to do is come in right here underneath this USB port on this side. You can actually see it. There's a tab that's like a little compression tab, so you're going to go underneath the USB port and just kind of push that compression tab and then lift this side of it up. This side will come up pretty easy, but the other side's pretty stubborn to come out. So while you're holding this side up, you kind of want to work the sides and go upward with it, and then you know, just kind of work it until it comes up. I had to kind of get this side up, and then I use my little pry bar interior tool to help just kind of get the sides up. I'll link this tool below, and this blue tool is so you don't scratch or rip anything on the interior because it's plastic, so it doesn't damage anything. But after I gave it some extra muscle on the side that I got up, I was able to get it out. It has two connectors. Each connector has a little thumb tab you could push down and pull back. These connectors had dried soda in them, so it was acting kind of like a glue, so it kind of was hard for me to get these off. But yours should come off, I assume, easier unless you have this same issue. But yeah, push those little tabs down and then pull the connector back. Do not pull it by the wire because you'll damage the wires. But here it is. Here's my USB port. Usually these have a lid on them. But here's the part number, 86190535051. So if you buy this new from a Lexus parts dealer online, MSRP is about $425. That's quite a bit. This does fit a lot of cars. Currently, there's no aftermarket brands that make like a replica one. You can get this one on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. I'm going to link this one on Amazon below, and they also have a used one on Amazon currently. I'll link that below as well. That one's like $188, but it's expensive. But if you're a music lover and you got to have your music, then we got to get one. So once you get your new one, it's pretty much plug and play. You just plug your connectors back into it. Each connector can only go into its designated connector spot, and then you just push it in place, and that's it, guys. You're good to go. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.